How to organize my brain. Organizing your brain refers to improving your cognitive processes, enhancing focus, and managing information effectively. Here are some strategies to help you organize your brain. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term goals. This clarity will help you prioritize tasks and focus your thoughts on what's important. Create a to-do list. Use a planner or digital tools to create a to-do list. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Practice time management. Allocate specific time blocks for different activities throughout your day. Set aside dedicated time for focused work, breaks, relaxation, and self-care. Stick to your schedule as much as possible. Declutter your environment. A cluttered physical environment can lead to mental clutter. Keep your workspace and living area tidy and organized. Remove distractions that can divert your attention and create mental noise. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Regular mindfulness or meditation practice can help calm your mind, increase focus, and reduce stress. It trains your brain to stay present and minimizes mental distractions. Prioritize sleep and rest. A well-rested brain functions more efficiently. Prioritize getting enough sleep and rest to rejuvenate your mind. Create a bedtime routine and ensure a quiet, comfortable sleeping environment. Use external tools. Take advantage of organizational tools such as calendars, task managers, note-taking apps, or project management software. These tools can help you capture, organize, and retrieve information effectively. Break tasks into smaller chunks. Large or complex tasks can overwhelm your brain. Break them down into smaller, manageable subtasks. Focus on completing one subtask at a time, which will give you a sense of progress and prevent mental overload. Practice active learning. Engage with information actively to enhance memory and comprehension. Take notes, summarize key points, and review your understanding regularly. Teach someone else the material or explain it to yourself aloud. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and staying hydrated are crucial for optimal brain function. Physical activity boosts cognitive performance, while a nutritious diet provides the necessary nutrients for brain health. Minimize multitasking. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking can decrease productivity and hinder focus. Instead, focus on one task at a time, complete it, and then move on to the next. Take regular breaks. Breaks are essential for mental rejuvenation and maintaining focus. Incorporate short breaks into your work routine. Use these intervals to stretch, walk, or engage in a quick relaxation exercise. Remember that organizing your brain is an ongoing process. Experiment with different techniques and strategies to find what works best for you. Consistency and practice will help you develop effective habits that optimize your mental organization.